Hello, my name is Danielle Seaman. I'm in the DLS program, the Doctor of Liberal Studies, with the concentration in ABA and Leadership and Policy Studies. I'm currently an instructor with the School of Social Work, and I also do advising with bachelor level students. I moved to Memphis in '84. I was 9 years old. My dad got transferred for a job. I currently live in Arlington with my 2 teenage kids and my husband. What annoys me is when I ask my family about an experience they had and they give basic information. I start asking all these questions and they're like, I don't know. So I feel like I get basic information. It's like I should have been there. One of the goals I'm hoping to get from this class is to be able to independently publish journals on my own, to know what journals are looking for, make sure everything's in the right format. I'm just ready to learn that experience. And then one of the things that make me weird is, I think because I put different colors together. I don't mind putting what people feel they can't wear together. Like, I don't mind wearing black and brown together, green and purple, anything. I just like to do that. So anyway, that's it for me. Thanks, and can't wait to get started. Okay.